Chief Minister Nongthom Biren launches fair price shop automation system for the first time in Manipur to bring transparency in distribution of PDS items. NSC and IM Kader escapes lock-up room of Imphal Police Station in Babupara in the wee hour. Combined team of DSP Imphal West and Commando OC Imphal West on the hunt. JSC against forced eviction of Guigailong tribal vendor begins indefinite sit-in condemning recent eviction drive at Langol Tarung by the Forest Department. And 2016 constructed primary health center at Rilram Center Village in Technopol district falls apart even before inauguration. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren has launched the Fair Price Shop automation system for the first time in Manipur to bring transparency, to curb inclusion of and exclusion errors and minimize other issues pertaining to distribution of PDS items. The launching event was held at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister N. Biren stated that such system will help in bringing transparency and streamlining of distribution of PDS items to genuine beneficiaries. He maintained that under the Fair Price Shop FPS automation system, fake and bogus ration cards will be easily identified and hence minimize the leakages in the distribution of PDS items. Chief Minister Biren maintained that beneficiaries will get food grains through EPOS, electronic point of sale device with proper authentication like Aadhaar or OTP. He stated that the FPS automation system will be made available in 10 different places for the first phase and eventually in several other parts of the state.
Public की ओइबा प्रजा की ओइबा पोची अखोई grassroots level दा युम दा लेखाई दा मामगी मसा दा फंगन बाइबा पांडम अमसे अखोई गवर्नमेंट की पांडम मोइना अखोई लाखुनी मी बेनिफिशियरी सिंग दुगी मीन कार्ड असाबा सारगा लोकथोकपा याररोय मी अमना मी तरा की थबक पोट पुबा याररोय अदुगुंबगी लिकेस मयाम अमा अखोइना नावाई से सुम ताबा रेड हैंडेड दिफाबा ngamdaba असिदगी लॉन्च तौगदरबसे अखोई स्टेट सिदा एरिबा फेयर प्राइस शॉप लिसिंग अनिगा सहूम कुनगा मरी बेनिफिशियरी मसिंगना लाख कुलुमदोइगा लिसिंग मरी फुटरेट समापनगा निफुमापननी अदुगा रेशन कार्ड पाइरी बसिना हुजे लाख मंगागा लिसिंग हुमापन सात्रुक निफुनिपानी अदुगा थामदा येलिबा सेंगसे क्विंटन लाख तराहुमदोइगा लिसिंग ट्रक कुंथ्रानि थोय हंतकी लाखदबा मथंगी जुलाई थादगिदि हाइरिबा बेनिफिशियरी सिंगसिना फेयर प्राइस शॉप सिंगजिरा चटलकांदा मोय बायोमेट्रिक खुबीजे तक नमकांदा मसागी शेयर दु फंगबा यारने.
And NSC and IM Kader escaped from the lock-up of Imphal Police Station, Babupara in the wee hour today. The fugitive is identified as 23-year-old Thailik Panmai, son of Paulumulung Panmai from Kaupum Tausang village of None district. Thailik Panmai was arrested by Manipur police and a case was registered under FIR number 237/2019 U/S400 IPC and 1C of Nungba police. A joint team of DSP Imphal West and Commando OC Imphal West conducted house-to-house search operation looking for the fugitive at Kashamthung Kabuikul and Moirangkom Kabuikul today. Science and Director General of Police Manipur inspected the situation at Imphal Police Station. Impact News sources said that OC of Imphal West Police Station, Inspector Konthaujam Bobby, has been transferred to Civil Arm Reserve CAR in connection with the escaping of the Kader and that Inspector Nongthombam Ingocha will take over his post. Joint Action Committee against forces eviction of Guigailong tribal vendor today began an indefinite sit-in condemning the recent eviction drive carried out by the Forest Department and reserved forest areas of Langol Tarung. Thangmaiban Assembly constituency MLA Khomukcham Joykishan met with the victim families of the eviction drive today and extended a financial assistance of 1 lakh rupees. He further assured of necessary assistance to the villagers.
Government na niyom budi oirambe yari like talai sing na phamjaba dukan mayam ama tekhiba du raida akhoi tang awana mating pangboina khoi laksabani committee through ra tawraga aina lupa lam tang pangjaraga mayam singsigi tang amuk kamai tawdana makhoi gi sigi living har nomagi chara tanjaba ngatani na makhoi gi amuk livelihood ki means to malakna ba committee gi loina sinna mai aina mateng se pangjabani tungda akhoi gi village gi committee chairman women society club na lawrakpa thodang da awaba tarba family sing aduga nungai tana leriba khun sing sina ai gi side gi anything within my capacity to way about Tabakaito Mateng Pangjage, Makoi Sing the Su, Amohana, Makoi Hinabi Punsima Lakbada, I Angambatak.
JAC spokesperson R. Kaningdai condemned the recent eviction drive as illegal and violation of human rights. He claimed that the eviction drive was targeted on the villages as it was carried out without any public hearing, public impact assessment and other necessary legal documents. R. Kaningdai warned of intense agitations along with CSOs of the state.
Sit-in protest continue to kigini. I don't know civil organization mayam the start payam makai loin inform tawraga chakani aduga lastly em hoina haibisida DC ge order the laga tawbani hare akoina DC da post tawgande akoi di ID eviction ge order de sukthok thopa leite adubo mokoi department angno sibai force provide tawbiyo haidna adugi de ai chi ama thai hai modi jo magistrate makhuta lerame khoi yenge adubu aside issue torokpa chi chang mayam se only dia4 mai makhuta loina tobani aduna khoina haibiji masigi sidi atamnana mi amana haiba mi amana injinba matamda madudige moina torokpani aduna khoi si masi yade.
Kurai Assembly Constituency MLA Laisangthem Susindro asked the transport contractor of Kurai if he could distribute a 5 months quota of food grains for the beneficiaries of Kurai constituency. He maintained that mandatory bills required to collect the rice quota will be paid immediately by collecting from the beneficiaries. Speaking to media at his residence at Kurai Tansit Road yesterday, MLA Susindro stated that it will be better for Kurai rice transporter El Hemanta to do his job properly instead of speaking as an official of the CAF and PD department. He maintained that in his duty as a local MLA to address the grievances of the people in his constituency.
Seeing mana thamanga mon the lady has Karamba Godam the Levino, cash payment, don't pigeon get away. Magi Godam to the Gigan, Gesuan Bio, Natragana, Hoy fair price of key, thanks the Yen Gesuan Bio. Hamangase, Amokta the one time the mana, Pipi Bunga Magade. I delay Harvey Hijamico. Amokta the Pipi Bunga Magade, Prajaji, documenting no I never the Hojiti and Awabamatamina. April Tadagi, Hyber Pose, I Ishamana, CSA, filing a Malay, Aduga, Hoy secretary, PS in the Tadaraga, Hilto Hona, I know you was young when you do PS in and given it, and a Sumba Hariba Pocha. I'm touching Topiaro, who could I get the Yuana, Ting a lady, Madame de Gana, Sigi lady, but fortunately, Attainanate. Just showing up Pangani, other man who is counting Age, you know, you don't talk
Ex-MLA of Naria Pakang Lakpa constituency, R.K. Anand condemned the ongoing tussle over leadership posed by the state leaders amid various issues facing the state. He demanded for a special and assembly session to address major issues facing the state like latest Border Pillar 82 issue, demand for autonomous district by organizations under suspension of operation, misappropriation of PDS items, plights facing the farmers in the wake of scanty rainfall, etc. He also recalled the June 18, 2001 incident which eventually led to imposition of precedents ruled in the state. R.K. Anand urged the present government to act wise and not to let such incident occur again. Hartley 3-year-old primary health center at Rilram Center in Technopole district, which is yet to be inaugurated, lies in ruins. Impact News reporter Ilangba Musuk brings you an exclusive report.
The primary health center at Rilram Center Village in Tecnopol district plays a major role in providing medical facilities to the residents of around 20 villages in and around the center. Constructions of the PHC, which began in 2011-12, completed finally in 2016. However, the PHC, which is yet to be inaugurated, is already in a deplorable condition, requiring immediate attention of the government.
Rilam area around the Kungang Kunmuk lay. Adu the only primary health center ni sisi. Sisi 2010-11 the PSC oina upgrade to kraba primary health center mani. Building su 2011-12 the saba ho krabni. Bill su kai tholam bayai. Adu hui lay ribe phibam sidi yam phatre.
Villagers allege that the contractor who carried out the construction of the PHC building fails to pay heed to the villagers' appeal to construct a good quality building. Many rooms of the primary health center are ruined with leaky roofs and multiple cracks on walls. Electrical wires of the health center are also damaged in various parts. Not to forget that the health center doesn't have necessary medical equipments.
Quality maintenance what by maramna moise yam bhajana sabidre adi maramna thuna patkibne.
Villagers intimated that doctors and other medical staff of the health center are petrified even to enter the wrecking health center. Hence, treatment of patients are going on in the village guest house.
PSD ki doctor truk lay nurse Marie staff miyam se hospital sida thabak chathaba yadabagi maramna akhoi kudong jaba yum ama tirga moi ada thabak se chatharga lairi tha amada ahumlek moi routine semnaga dum lai.
Pathetic road conditions further hinder the residents from visiting other health centers to get their medical needs. The villagers appeals to the government to address their grievances without further delay.
PHC ki infrastructure laifam thokpa mogi OPD oigera nurse quarter oigera khusu khulai moi mayam du yaraga di sarkar su thubam tamda mieng ta bire haraga hospital si hen chawkhat se hana aina.
This is Joyce Rusham for Impact News reporter Ilangba Mushuk, Impact News, Tecnopol District.
Tanglai Park Students Association (KSA) criticized the state government for holding all talks and no works to improve schools and education system of the state. Speaking to media at KSA office in Kuyatong today in the presence of students of Lamlai Higher Secondary School, KSA Publicity Secretary H. Bablu stated that a team of KSA members came across the poor condition of Lamlai Higher Secondary School in Imphal East upon inspection as a part of its drive to enhance education sector in Manipur. He pointed out that the school lacks proper infrastructure and adequate teachers, stating that the school was upgraded to a higher secondary school in 2016, following which its first session commenced in 2018. Bablu urged the state government to take necessary measures to ensure that the school becomes a full-fledged higher secondary school.
Satra Samliga, if Unipale, 16 Mogi, Sigi Manunda, Oza Tramaina, Nasifa was a leme, Hiba Oza Singasi, Hana 2016 Yamanga, Ozakun Leme, do 2017, the Ritias Kibaga transfer Kibaga, Oza Tramaina Salamane, Maruna, Tian Kari was harder than English Oza Pawulem, the J. Classy, Mangwa, the Nina, Atopa, so in science was Anasu, English Takpa, the Ye time shows Uncle Natapa, Meso was Uncle Natapa, see, I work Tibani, high secondary labor, class 11 12, classroom for an issue and the classroom Amada Punjalaga, the Waymo, see. Yaningde, Tanglai Park student hanging with the Yam Tuba Matamda, Marina Neva, the Vamena, Hiva was a Waliba, Muslim classroom Waliba Singa, but we do not about on top of you, Rigumba, Tabak on top of the Tagadi, Basina, being Changani.
Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam urged the public for their undivided support and encouragement towards the indifferently abled persons. He was addressing the attendees of a program for distribution of teaching learning material TLM kits to differently abled persons at Manipur Press Club today. Minister Karam Shyam stressed the need for parents to facilitate their differently abled children in utilizing their gifted potentiality. He also appealed to treat them with utmost love and care. The event was organized jointly by National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, NIEPID, State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur.
Masana masabu adi miman adrena khaliba mioi singsida akoi pangan kana leriba akoi na matam zupada makoi da nungsiba cooperation pining bagi wakhalon se leiba taragadi aikoi gi society sida moise hing bagi mahau leigane kaidamai sida su masana masabu hanthana khalloi ado mase khara chaukhatpa leipak singdadi masigi wakhalon se loina senaraba matamne amana amabu hanthana yengdaba amana amagi mateng pangba aduga madugi damakta even ngasi Hyderabad tagi Sikandrabad tagi laga Manipur gi leiriba isa inau singsida mateng pangane no laise Bharat Sarkar gi waragasu si humanity gi wakhalon ne.
To the proposed total shutdown on national highways called by all Manipur selected 2,000 candidates of Police Constable Civil Male 2013 batch, which was supposed to commence from this midnight, has been called off. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of the batch, A. Binoy, stated that the decision was taken following assurances given by the government yesterday that posting and appointment orders for the selected candidates of the batch will be issued at the earliest.
Manipur National Highway Animakta total shutdown ban Torogani Haina Lautuksaki, Masigi Iroina, Paliba government Asinam, Manipurda, Banamsum blockade Laitaba, Santi Labor, State Amo, Wenanabigam to Honabira Pasida, Narang Tatazadana, Masasingi Amadi Imun Manunsingi Awapasi Ubiduna, Aikogi, Taboxigi, posting Pibiratuna, appointment letters, and Hansipoki Manung the Pibigani Haidana, Tazavaka, Pirapadigi, Amadi, ordered Topirapadigi, Aikoina Tozagani Haina Tauramba, Taurang. National Highway Animakta economic blockade Torongani Highway Dungasi Highway Mistake Equity Baldu, call off Tozare Haina, Ikoi, Loktoksabani, Aduga, Aruibada, Paliba Gamen Asibu, Masasingi, Amadi, Nahasingi, Tungi Punsibu, can be begin among Tangam Kailate and Tagato Pondoksari Haina.
All Manipur Muslim Organizations Coordinating Committee Amokok will hold its annual General Convention for the ongoing term on August 25th. The committee has notified all the organizations affiliated to Amokok to submit their filled-in affiliation form within August 15. Speaking to media at the committee office in Hatta today, Amokok President S.M. Jalal said that the date for the convention was fixed after a crucial meeting attended by Executive Committee, Local Committee and other affiliated committees of Amokok. He also announced the dissolution of all local committees under Amokok. He asserted that new committees will be formed soon after the convention. S.M. Jalal further notified all the admins of all WhatsApp groups to cease their operations.
Hairiba annual general body meeting ase pangthokri phawbagi oina asigumba local committee sing ase ngasigi numit asidagi hauraga masigi committee sing ase gi adumba karigumba ama phawba makhoi se sang chatnararoi committee sing si akhoi dissolve tore anova committee sing akhoi hariba tang tangwa du phawbi manungda akhoi semlagani local committee gi thakta leiba WhatsApp group sing akhoi khudaktagi admin singna akhoi operate toba lepkadabani karigumba hariba WhatsApp group sing se makhatana unauthorized oiba mawongda masi operate toraga leiramba taragadi ain gi oiba thabak chapchana matik chana lokhalagani.
Child-friendly rooms were opened at various police stations in Thoubal district today under the initiative of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR, and supervision of DGP Manipur. MCPCR chairperson Sumati Balaning Thojam opened a child-friendly room at Women Police Station, Thoubal. Child-friendly rooms were also opened at Yaripok Police Station, Nongpok Sekmai Police Station, Kongjom Police Station, Hairok Police Station and Lilong Police Station. Child rights activists took part in the inaugural events organized under the supervision of SP Thoubal, Dr. S. Ipomcha. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 19th Fish Farmers Day Celebration 2019. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Directorate of the Fisheries Department joined the nation in holding the 19th Fish Farmers Day Celebration 2019 today. Taking part in the event held at the hall of Directorate of Lumfelpart, Agriculture Director Ahantib Shubas urged fish farmers of the state to cooperate the state government in its efforts to enhance fish production in the state to meet the needs of its populace. Winners of last year's Ningol Chakoba Fish Fair were also felicitated on the occasion.
Hujik Ladiba, Manipur government as in a Hena Tawa Yauraga, Mapan de Quina Karor Samri Sama, Mapan the Ginga Pusalapada Pasatli, Masis Alhanum Tokte, Mayam Tanaraga, Equingagi, Potoxi, Hengat Hangadavni, Double Hengadavuni, Haivagi, Miying, Amachanga Pumatam Neva Hositi. Miying Sangang even Matam Sida, Equigi, Fish farmers in a Kudung Zabalobi Hoxinena, Izarina. Fish farmers in a Kashuwaninga like Treositi. I government giving Change. Department su zikti hana ke damaina na tab da yamna yang launa you have a young dynamic director ma leire tausi haiba aphaba tanasi haiba da dum yara.
Himam Nilamani Charitable Trust Moirang held the 107th birth anniversary celebration of Himam Nilamani at INA Hall today. Himam Nilamani was a freedom fighter who fought for social change and brought educational revolution. He was also a former Deputy Education Minister. Attendees paid floral tributes as a mark of respect to the portrait of the late leader. 5 students of the constituency who topped in this year's Class 10 examination and Class 12 examination in Arts and Science were felicitated with cash award and memento each on the occasion. Speaking in the event, President of the Trust, Hemam Babudhon, asserted that the event was held in reverence to the late freedom fighter. Students of various schools attended the event.
Matamaduda, Mahak, freedom fighter, Highland, Ainegi Maramdasu, Apauba, and Tabak Tawada, Namin Stelabani Palma, Wedamki, Nugalona, Mahak Mashamak, Manipurgi, Education Minister, Wedami, and the Namaramoduna, Mahagashi, Moiranga, Rahim Tigilamda, Amsung, Moirangashigi, Mapi Mapa, Amo Oina, Nashi, Moirang Prajana, Mahakushing Tanet.
Sanamahi Inat Loina Silol Apun Balub Silla held its 3rd Foundation Day observance at Lamyan Basanglen in Palace Compound today. Floral tributes were offered to portraits of late eminent teachers on the occasion. Veteran Manipuri folk singers and drummers of traditional Manipuri drum pung were also felicitated on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayanta Kumar urged people not to forget one's root but to preserve it.
Mayam na highway, Wiggy, Langduk Shanabay, not to wait the Bakumbalina. Late lying out the night, lying Mayam, lying Mayam, the pull up, shooting like a Karawa, Targin, Hyper Targini, Kinmam, Amratin, Madonna, Langduk Shanabay, the Bintay. Wakilgi Tumbamni, Wakalgi Horupamni, Wakalgi Potafamni, Madrid Tropanga, the machine, couldn't Muna Gantana, Montana. With certain reason, Ingong, Chumjamna, Laima Lally and Hibagi, Numacham Killer Lally Hibagi, Adunato. I get home with the Sawan Raga, she will walk alone to get up on the top by the time. Matamuruni length to young Haragotis.
45-day residential workshop for teaching of music to school children organized by the Art and Culture Department concluded at Maharaja Chandrakirti Auditorium today. The workshop was held under project support of musical instrument and teaching music to school children of the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar and Art and Culture Director A. Shivadas graced the event. Divine Life Society Manipur held the 100th birth centenary celebration of H.H. Sri Swami Guru Govinanda Saraswati at Imoinu Community Hall of Pishum Thong Nonthombam Lairak today. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of H.H. Sri Swami Guru Govinanda Saraswati on the occasion. Offering of Guru Padoka Puja, J. Ganesh Prathana, Vajan Kirtan and a lecture by Kakching Tabam Brajamani Sharma Sastri on Divine Life Society and Swami Sivadanandagi Darshan were the main highlights of the event. A voluntary blood donation camp was held at the blood bank of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS today. JN Hospital, Pharmacy Association and Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit JNIMS State Blood Cell organized the camp under the aegis of National Health Mission Manipur. Around 80 volunteers donated blood in the camp.
हंदकी अखोई ब्लड डोनेशन केम असिगा थारगदी मरी रक्षुबो ओइगनी अखोई एसोसिएशन सेंजरिबो ब्लड डोनेशन सी अदु सही मथंग लाकदबो सही सिंगदसु अदमक सिन अखोई नमनबगी होनजरी अदु ब्लड डोनेशन केम असि सिनबगी अखोई मेन पांडम सी अखोई लमदम सिदा लेमिनरिबा अखोई अवाना तारबा हॉस्पिटल से लाकबा अखोई ब्लड तो अखोई डोनर लेतबो कयागुम मैम अखोई फार्मेसी सिंग मरक्तसु मैम थेंगजै सुगुम सिंग सिदा अखोई एसोसिएशन की माइकैदगी करिगुम मतें खितंग पांगबा ngam गदरा हाइबगी वखलोंदा अखोई ब्लड डोनेशन केम असि सिनजा.
A new organic store called Freshies Fresh was opened at Chingmairong Mamang Laikai today. Organic seasonal fruits and vegetables cultivated in the state will be made available in the shop. Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Kaidem, graced the event. A training program on disaster management was held at Chauyaima Higher Secondary School in Thoubal today. Disaster Management Institute organized a program under Relief and Disaster Management. Experts taught the student participants how to save a person from drowning, how to put out a fire started from a gas cylinder, and how to revive an unconscious person. Speaking on the occasion, Officer in charge of Disaster Management, O. Achauba, stated that Chauyaima Higher Secondary School was one among the 20 schools selected in the state for holding such programs. All Manipur Students Union Khongjom branch today felicitated students of Khongjom area who secured high marks in this year's BOSIM Class 10 and COSIM Class 12 examinations. The event was held at Lalita Madhav Sharma High School in Khongjom. Special summer coaching class for Class 9 and Class 10 students conducted by Manipuri Students Federation MSF District Committee Jiribam concluded today. Exemplary students were felicitated during the event held at the Community Hall Center of Jiribam Municipal Council JMC. Students of Jiribam area who secured high marks in recent board examinations conducted by BOSIM, COSIM and CBSE were also felicitated on the occasion. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization (SEACO) is observing its 9th Foundation Day on August 5th. The organization in a press release appealed to the public not to impose any kind of ban or general strike on August 4th and 5th. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin launches fair price shop automation system for first time in Manipur to bring transparency in distribution of PDS items. NSD and IM Kader escapes lock-up room of Imphal Police Station in Babupara in the wee hour. Combined team of DSP Imphal West and Commander OC Imphal West on the hunt. JAC Games force eviction of Guigailong tribal vendor begins. Indefinite sit-in condemning recent eviction drive at Langol Tarung by the Forest Department. And 2016 constructed primary health center of Rilram Center village in Technopal district falls apart even before inauguration.